Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am Shaikh. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone would have keen desire to be successful in life. And what are the secrets of being successful? Maybe that key is hidden in your determination and or the passion or the discipline and your skill or the luck itself. It is a fact whether we agree or not. All read some articles or quotes, Google searches, the mythical keys to success in order to work out our own recipes to the success. Today, we shall talk about the importance of passion in our lives. Passion is a strong feeling of enthusiasm or excitement for something, about doing something, or devotion to some activity, object, or concept. It generates the enthusiasm needed to cultivate through the biggest obstacles and overcome the most intractable challenges. It inspires loyalty, teamwork, hard work, and eventually success. In fact, success is more than just following your passion. It is about making difference in your life and in the lives of others. Passion not only drives you to enjoy your work, but helps in overcoming the obstacles in the workplace as well. Ladies and gentlemen, passion is an intangible component that explains as to why some people and team are better able to stick with their plans and achieve greater level of success. Having passion for a particular goal, whether personal or professional, provides the energy and motivation to take the action necessary to achieve the goals. So passion gives you purpose. But more than that, the passion makes you feel that you have purpose in your life. You have a purposeful life. So being passionate is not about just knowing, it is also about feeling. As we know, passion eventually leads to mystery and success. Remember, most successful leaders don't have a job, but they have a passion. To achieve success, you must strive very hard to meet your goals. And that requires big ideas and a strong will to execute them. So, your passion is a focused desire, and passion makes you feel alive. And beyond feeling good, passion also helps the life work better, as pursuing your passion makes you feel good. So ladies and gentlemen, you must remember the golden rules of success. Details of these rules we will discuss in our forthcoming session. In this session, I shall only give you some bullets. Okay? Number 1, success has no limits. Sky is the limit. Once you start working hard towards your passion, towards your goal, and in disciplined manner, you are determined, success has no limit. Sky is the limit. Okay? Number 2, always feel yourself to be accountable for your thoughts and for your actions. Self-accountability, self-analysis, self-actions. You have to feel you are accountable. Your time, you are accountable for all those actions at the time, energy you are spending. Number 3, make big goals and take substantial actions. Your actions, your goals have to be coincident. You cannot say you have big goals and there is no action, or there are small actions, there are delayed actions, there are inactions. Detail, of course, we shall be discussing in our forthcoming sessions. And number 4, again in brief, use your fears as your motivation to take actions. And 5th one, ladies and gentlemen, learn to see the criticism as a sign of success. To conclude, every great idea begins with a dreamer. And best of luck.